Day 5 after the last treatment, and it's nice. 24 Celsius, 77 freedom units, and it is Halloween. Ooh, spooky. And they're still bringing in some pollen, but probably gonna end up having to take this. I got the third box on that's got jars in it, and I don't think they're gonna be able to get to those. There was still a couple frames that they were drawn up for honey. A lot of brood was converted to honey, so probably not gonna be able to do that. We'll see. And look at the mites. Oh my god, they're still dropping, and I'll do a count. I'm gonna say somewhere between 60 and 80. Just taking a quick look, see if I see any wiggling around. Probably, because yeah, like this one here is wiggling around. They're so weird. They like go all directions with their little feet. Anyway, so I'm gonna clean the board and look again tomorrow. As the drop reduces, I'm going to do another treatment. A lot of treatments. So this next one will be 7th, which is more than I'm really comfortable doing. But the mites are worse than the OAV treatment. So anyway, happy Halloween. Anybody, you know, I've lost most of the people already that watch these shorts. First 15 seconds. The short attention span, short viewers are gone. So those of you that hung in, consider looking at the regular videos. You know, a lot of them got like 6 or 7 views, like the possum visiting. I mean, that's a short one, but it's actually, I think that is a short. Anyway, happy Halloween to everybody.